Irish screwdriver. Yeah, I try to pronounce it right. Screwdriver is the fancy name of vodka orange. It's going to be Irish screwdriver because we are going to make it green. And this is how we do it. We are going to use orange juice, vodka, yeah, you are not surprised, right? And blue curacao in the fridge. By now you must have guessed it, but we are going to start by filling the glass with ice. Okay. Next you do 1 shot of vodka, which is 4 centiliters, and 2 centiliters of this magical blue thing, which is blue curacao syrup. Oh yeah, this is
Beautiful.
beautiful. And you top it up with orange juice. And as you can see, it's already greenish, but we are going to stir it. So it won't stay blue, but it will be this green. Biodegradable straw as usual, and we will sacrifice another gummy bear. I will try to find an orange one because you know it's mostly orange drink. Yeah, let's use this one. Now for the normal garnish for this drink is going to be a dried orange slice, and we are going to use these clippers to attach it, but we don't have any, so this is now the Irish screwdriver. Someone please